Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to cancel Spotify Premium. So if you're using an iPhone, you'll have to simply close Spotify and then you'll have to simply go to App Store. So you'll have to open the App Store and then you'll have to simply tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. And then here you'll have to simply go to subscriptions and then here you should see Spotify. So as you can see, I only have Apple Arcade, but it's gonna look something similar. So instead of Apple Arcade, you're gonna see Spotify here. Since I don't have a premium plan on Spotify, I don't have it here. So here you're gonna see that you have a cancel button. So you're gonna see your Spotify account and how much you have to pay, when you have to pay, and then you have this cancel button at the bottom. So you have to simply tap on it, and then basically that's all you have to do. So you have to click on confirm, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.